Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best storage solutions for your outdoor space, the Keter Kentwood 92-gallon resin deck box. If you're looking for a blend of style, durability, and functionality, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your patio or garden. The Keter Kentwood deck box isn't just any ordinary storage box. It's designed to offer both ample storage and comfortable seating. With a sleek brown resin finish that mimics the look of wood, it seamlessly integrates into any outdoor setting. The dimensions are impressive. It measures 50.4 inches wide, 21.2 inches deep, and 23.2 inches high, providing a spacious interior of 92 gallons. One of the standout features of this deck box is its robust resin construction. Unlike traditional wood, resin won't rust, peel, fade, or dent, making it a reliable choice for all weather conditions. Whether it's scorching sun or heavy rain, your belongings will stay safe and dry inside. With a weight capacity of 573 pounds, the Keter Kentwood doubles as extra seating, making it perfect for gatherings or simply relaxing outdoors. It's ideal for storing everything from patio furniture, cushions, and gardening tools to pool accessories and kids' toys. Plus, the lockable lid adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your items are protected. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 20 minutes without the need for any tools. Keter has really streamlined the process, so you can enjoy your new storage solution almost immediately after delivery. To sum it up, if you're in the market for a reliable, spacious, and stylish outdoor storage solution that doubles as seating, the Keter Kentwood 92-gallon resin deck box is hard to beat. Its weather-resistant design and easy assembly make it a standout choice for any home. Check the link in the description below to find out more details and get one for yourself.